When you look at Redwood Credit Union and our use of SDK, it's really about customizing the experience, but also adding functionality that's important to our specific member pool. I think that's one of the values of Lumin, is you can actually use it to create experiences that are meaningful for your particular members in a way that meets their particular demographics. So we're excited about it. We've used it to create everything from sweeps to our own P2P system, which is obviously unique in the industry. What's more exciting is about the feedback we're getting from our members. They love the system, and more importantly, they love the fact that we're providing it to them across all channels. We're mobile first, and in some cases, we're mobile only. We really think that is where everything needs to live. That experience in mobile is the same in the digital online or in the web version on your phone or on your tablet. So a person doesn't have to learn 3 different systems. It's just one system. How do you measure that ROI? I'm not sure, but I can tell you right now, it's invaluable to us.